Hi, this is Vlad. Welcome to my channel. I decided I'm gonna put together some videos about repairs, about maintenance with my cars. I've been a car enthusiast for many years. I've owned cars which some would consider exotic, some more normal cars as well. Right now I'm gonna focus this around my Mercedes AMG W204 C63. And I decided today that I'm gonna start with replacement of water deflectors. Here are the part numbers for the water deflectors. This one here is the part number for passenger side. This is the part number for the driver's side. I just wanted to make it clear that I know that there were others who had this video before, but I gotta start my channel somehow, so I figured might as well start with this video. And I'm gonna try and bring my own information in, showing a better way of lining up these moldings, let's call them moldings, the same way that the factory did, so that they're lined up uniformly, and that they perhaps line up closer to what the factory would have wanted them to be. These are the tools that I'm gonna use. They're part of a kit sold by Harbor Freight. The orange one is just a tool that I've received when I bought a JVC. This is my car, C63. As many others, I had a problem with the water deflectors as far as the clear coat going bad. You could see it here. And going up, it just gets worse. All the way to here. Now, on the other side, I've already replaced the deflector and lined it up. And this is how it looks like. And next I'm gonna show how I did that on the driver's side. So I'm going to start here at the back. I'm just gonna lift it carefully to the outside. Such a so. And now you can just follow it up with a stool like this. And just lift it up. And here it is. The next thing to do is I like to clean up the area where this is going to get installed, and I'm going to use some glass cleaner and some chopped out. There are two parts to the layout. The rear of the deflector goes underneath the molding of the back window, and the front of the deflector is spaced as compared to the bottom of the windshield. This is the portion that goes underneath the molding. I'm gonna have this going at the last part of the install. I'm going to start from the front. In the front, there is a curved part of the molding which sits flush or almost flush with the plastic portion of the windshield tray. The way I propose to align the water deflector is by measuring the existing gap and then matching it on the other side. I'm using for this just a plain Jane caliper. Measurement caliper available everywhere. So I'm going to measure at the outer lip, try and hold it vertical, I have it in millimeters, so 5.7. It really doesn't matter that much what you use. All you gotta do is just tighten up the fixing screw and then try and have the same gap on the other side. Here the gap is too small, so I'm gonna move it out a little. The gap seems correct at this point, so I'm just going to press down on it while keeping the measurement in place. And there it is. Verified. No, it's too wide. So the way to match the gap is to only clip in the first clip, which is in this area, nothing else. Everything else is just laid on top. Then you'd go in with a caliper. When you press it in, it tends to open the gap, but because it's the only one clip is in, you can actually slide it in, which I'm gonna do now. I have to slide it out a little. And here it is. The gap is correct. At this point, the front is laid in. I'm gonna start clipping it in place. I'm gonna take a look in these doors. They look centered. It's gonna be a little difficult while I hold the camera. Try now. So after clipping it in on the side of the windshield and lining it up at the doors, which have to be open, it basically lines up once you have the gap correct at the bottom of the windshield. Then we insert the rear lip underneath the molding of the rear window, and then we start clipping the remaining clips. And everything is in. At this point, peel off the doors first. And then peel off the rest of the molding or water deflector. Start from the back, which is the way this is laid out. Just take your time. At this point, everything's in place. There's no hurry. And here it is, all set up, lined up, ready to go. So there was a portion here where it looked like the car was scratched, but it was actually wax residue. I was kind of worried as I was working, but then really wasn't anything here. Right now I can't even see it because I wiped it. Another thing to watch for is, with my car, this rubber molding was not centered. It was all the way underneath here, and on the other side it was showing. The end of the rubber molding was showing from underneath the water deflector. So this is a good time to line it up, to center it. This turned out to be more of a W204 content rather than C63. I intend to have additional videos soon. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you thought in the comments section.